AI isn't just helping us anymore. In 2025, it's starting to replace us. These 5 powerful AI tools are already doing the work of lawyers, marketers, editors, and more. If your job is on this list, it might be time to upskill. Let's dive in. 1. DoNotPay. Meet the world's first AI lawyer. DoNotPay can write legal appeals, cancel subscriptions, fight parking tickets, and more, automatically. It's already saved people thousands of dollars, and it keeps improving. If you're in customer service or admin, watch out. This AI is fast, cheap, and 24/7. 2. Jasper. Jasper AI is changing how marketing works. It writes blogs, ads, emails, social posts, better and faster than most copywriters. You just type your topic and tone, and Jasper does the rest. It's already being used by thousands of companies. Copywriters and marketers, the competition just got smarter. 3. Tome. Tome is an AI presentation builder. You enter a topic, and it creates a full, professional slide deck with images, layouts, and text. Designers, educators, and business creators are loving it. But it's also replacing the need for hours of PowerPoint work. 4. Descript. Editing video or audio? Descript lets you cut videos just by editing text, like a Word document. It can remove filler words, generate subtitles, and even clone your voice. Podcast editors, YouTubers, and content creators, this one's coming for your workflow. 5. AutoGPT, AgentGPT. These are not just AI tools, they're autonomous agents. You give them a goal, and they break it down, plan the steps, and complete the task. It's like hiring a freelancer who never sleeps. Perfect for research, content creation, and automation, but also a glimpse into the future of work. These tools aren't coming. They're already here. So are they replacing jobs? Or creating new ones? Tell me what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily AI and tech insights. This is 808 Tech Daily. See you tomorrow.